Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 6 English 3.4 Sushruta complete exercise. Complete question answer of this lesson. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. A. Who was Sushruta? Answer. Sushruta was indeed a bright student of veterinary medicines. B. Question. Who was Shailihotra? Shailihotra was Sushruta's teacher. Next question. What question did Shailihotra ask to test Sushruta? Answer. The question Shailihotra asked to test Sushruta was what all would be needed to perform a surgery on a wonderful horse. Next question. How long a period did Shailihotra allow to answer the missing thing? Shailihotra gave Sushruta a week to find the answer. Next question. Who erected the first known veterinary hospitals of the world? Answer. The great Emperor Ashoka erected the first veterinary hospital of the world. Next question. What were the three things that Sushruta discovered? Answer. The three things that Sushruta discovered was that a good veterinarian should have an eagle's eye, a lion's heart, a mother's touch. Next question. Explain the meaning of the following phrases. First, an eagle's eye. A close watch. Observe keenly. The tigress watch her cubes with an eagle's eye to keep them away from danger. B. A lion's heart. Someone who is very brave. The Indian soldiers fought with a lion's heart and oath. Next, a mother's touch. Tender, loving, caring touch. I am not scared of my dentist because he has got a mother's touch in all that he does. Next question. Narrate the story of Sushruta in your own words. Answer. Sushruta was an Indian Ayurvedic physician who known as the father of India medicines or father of surgery. He also is a veterinary doctor and famous in veterinary science of India. Sushruta had a great knowledge about the treatment of animals. Next point. Through Shailihotra gained all the knowledge of surgery from Sushruta. Sushruta was also a good teacher who teaches about surgery to many others. Three things found by Sushruta before operating the horse. These were: first, a good veterinarian should have an eagle's eye. Second, a good veterinarian should have a lion's heart. Third, a good veterinarian should have a mother's touch too. Sushruta transferred the view of veterinary sciences. Next question. List all the words related to surgery from the passage. Answer. Words related to surgery: instruments, medicines, operating, recover. Next question. Write short notes on the following. A. Veterinary science in ancient India. A tradition of veterinary therapy developed very early in India. Based on Ayurveda, Indian veterinary medicine is known for its specialized literature which gives information on ancient methods of preventing and treating diseases of animals. The oldest existing veterinary text from India is treatise entitled Ayurveda Siddhanta by Shailihotra. Care of animals in the regime of Emperor Ashoka. The great Emperor Ashoka erected the first known veterinary hospitals of the world. Giving the animals general tonics and stimulants was practiced in order to ensure good mental and physical health. Prevention of occurrence of the diseases was also given importance. Next point, cleanliness of animals, maintenance of stalls and stables, quality of food, disadvantage of overfeeding were also looked after during the regime of Emperor Ashoka. Next question, utilization of animal by products in the ancient world. Answer, utilization of animal by products was also done wisely by our ancestors. Conversion of milk into butter, ghee, curd, khoa, etc. was practiced. Chickens for its meat and sheep for its wool were also utilized in the ancient world. Question number 7. From pairs, complete the following table through discussion. Occupation, quality and reason. Student, quality is obedience and hard work, and reason, to learn discipline, to do well in life. Next occupation, teacher, quality, understanding, kindness and intelligence, and reason, to understand student, to deal with them well. Next occupation is housewife, and her quality is loving and care. And next one is should be proud for well-being and warmth for the family. Next is sportsman. His quality is team spirit and confident. And occupation is should not be proud except defeating the right spirit. Next occupation is artist, and his quality is should have an aesthetic mind. And reason is should be able to express his feeling through. Next occupation is singer, and quality is have a good voice, and reason should be able to entertain the audience. Next is author, and quality good writer, convey message through writing. And reason is young and old should be able to learn and love reading. Next is umpire, should be knowledgeable, observant and impartial, and should take the right decision, to be fearless. Next is actor, and quality is should know the art of acting naturally. And reason should be a good entertainer. Scientist, discover science which is useful to mankind and should be an asset to the society. Next question, note these pairs of words care, carefully, equal, equally. A. Use the suffix ly to make the other words from the following. First, subsequent, subsequently, frequent, frequently, wise, wisely, immense, immensely, beautiful, beautifully. Next question, find two examples each of the words made by using the following suffixes. First, ness, awareness, cleanliness. Second, ER, recover, career. Third, lead, booklet, leaflet. Next, full, wonderful, painful. Next, TION or SION, information, profession. Next, Y, weekly, veterinary. Next question. Frame questions beginning with the following words. First, who? Who are veterinarians? Second, what? What did Nakula write? Third, where? Where did Emperor Ashoka arrange for cultivation of herbal medicine for men and animals? Next is when. When did veterinary therapy develop in India? Next is how. How did Shailihotra treat animals? Next, why? Answer. Why did veterinarians start accompanying armies? Dear students, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.